Binance Card Review 2025 Pros, Cons, and Real Use Cases you must know. Hey everyone, welcome back to Cash and Coffee, your weekly sip of crypto clarity. Today, we're diving into the Binance Card. What is it? How does it work? Is it really the best crypto card in 2025? Let's find out. The Binance Card is a Visa debit card issued by Binance. It allows you to spend crypto like Bitcoin, BNB, or stablecoins at any merchant that accepts Visa, both online and offline. Once you fund your card wallet, Binance automatically converts your crypto into fiat at the point of purchase. Think of it as a real-time crypto-to-fiat converter. To get started, go to the Card section in your Binance app. Verify your identity, order the physical card, and wait for delivery. You'll also get a virtual card you can use immediately. Once it arrives, just activate it in-app, top up your card wallet, and you're ready to spend. You can use the Binance Card to pay for coffee, groceries, flight tickets, or anything else, as long as the merchant accepts Visa. It's been a game changer for people who want to spend crypto without needing to convert manually. We tested it at Starbucks, Amazon, and even while traveling, and it worked smoothly. Here's a big perk: up to 8% cashback on every purchase depending on your BNB holdings. If you hold enough BNB in your account, you're earning crypto back as you spend it. This is deposited directly to your spot wallet and can be tracked in the dashboard. You can choose which cryptos to spend. Binance supports BTC, ETH, BNB, USDT, and more. Set your conversion priority so Binance knows which coin to pull from first. If your balance is insufficient, it'll move to the next coin on the list. While Binance advertises 0 annual fees, there are still some things to be aware of. Foreign exchange fees may apply, ATM withdrawal limits, crypto conversion spreads. Be sure to read the terms carefully before relying on it for international use. Let's break down the top advantages of the Binance Card. Spend crypto instantly. No annual or monthly fees. Up to 8% cashback. Works worldwide via Visa. Easy management via Binance app. It's a great bridge between DeFi and daily life. But it's not perfect. Here are the main drawbacks. You must convert your crypto, tax implications. Limited to Binance ecosystem. Cashback depends on BNB holdings. Some merchants may block prepaid cards. No support in certain countries. It's important to consider these before switching all your payments over. The Binance Card is perfect for crypto investors who want to spend without cashing out, frequent travelers needing global Visa access, BNB holders, maximizing cashback, Binance users who want a seamless spending experience. If you're outside of Binance's supported countries or don't hold BNB, it may not be for you. So, is the Binance Card worth it? For regular Binance users who want to spend crypto daily, absolutely yes. But if you're not comfortable converting crypto to fiat regularly, it might not fit your financial strategy. Did you find this review helpful? Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Cash and Coffee for more smart crypto guides every week. Got questions about the Binance Card? Drop them in the comments. I'll reply personally.